So if StockX is not accepting your payment in 2026, yeah, like your card keeps getting declined or checkout fails, don't worry. This is usually an easy fix. First, refresh the page or restart the app and try again. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. Next, make sure your internet is stable. A weak connection can interrupt payment processing. Now, double-check your card number, expiry date, and CVV. Even one wrong digit can cause payment failure. Next, make sure your card has enough balance and is not blocked or limited by your bank. Now, switch to another payment option like PayPal or a different card if available. Next, disable any VPN or proxy. StockX may reject payments from unusual locations. Now make sure your StockX app or browser is updated. Old versions can cause checkout issues. If everything looks fine, your bank might be blocking the transaction for security reasons. Contact them to approve it. Finally, sometimes StockX servers may be down, so wait a bit and try again later. And that's it. That's how you fix StockX not accepting payment step by step in 2026.